Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to check for a head gasket leak on your engine. The reason I'm checking this one is because, let me show you guys. You can see this extra white smoke coming out from the exhaust, which tells me that coolant is getting in there and causing this because it's not even cold outside. So I wanted to go ahead and check that before I do anything else. So I went ahead and picked up this kit right here. This is to check to make sure that no exhaust is mixing with the coolant, and this test will show you if it's getting in there, which would indicate a head gasket leak. So if you guys did want to get the same kit, I'll go ahead and put a link in the bio, and let's get started and show you how this is done. Alright, so this test could be done from the coolant reservoir, or you can do it from the radiator if you have a cap on there. If the fluid is topped off, you do want to make sure you have about 2 or 3 inches down. That way the tester doesn't hit the liquid when you push it in there. So you can use a turkey baster or some kind of suction tool to remove some of the coolant so you have enough room for the tester. So after you got your fluid down about 2 or 3 inches, you want to go ahead and take your tester, and what you're going to do is you're going to fit it right on there, and you want to kind of give it a little twist to make sure it gives a nice seal on there. You can see the rubber just goes right on there, so just make sure that's sealed. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the fluid that comes with it, and you're going to go ahead and open it, and what you're going to do is you're going to pour it right in the top. Before you put this piece on, there's a fill line right there. You're just going to go ahead and stop right there. Just like that. Then you're going to go ahead and take your top piece, the metal piece pointing up. You're going to go ahead and fit it right on there. It gives a good seal. And then one thing you want to note is you want to make sure the vehicle is at operating temperature before you do this test to give you the best results. So once it's at operating temperature, all you're going to do is squeeze on the top part. And what you're looking for is to see if this turns a yellowish color, greenish. It turns basically a lighter color than this blue, and that would indicate exhaust fumes in the cooling system, and that's how you would know. So the color never changed on this one, so that tells me that the head gasket is fine on this vehicle, and my issue lies somewhere else. So we'll go ahead and get that figured out, but that's how you can do this test. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.